Good day, welcome to Mr. Johanny Raffle. Ayan, so pang 93 raffle natin winner kagabi si Sir Alvin ng Santa Rosa, Laguna. Ayan, so ito po yung kanyang napili, R601 na Combat Master John Wick 3. Ayan, so yan po yung kanyang outer barrel, bronze, naka fiber optic, front sight, color red, naka railings, and then markings, naka extended mag release, naka magwell, naka ambidextrous safety, and adjustable rear sight. Yan po yung kanyang grip, non-slip staple grip, mga markings. Yan, solid, ang ganda nito. Yan, congratulations po Sir Alvin, pang 93 raffle. Congratulations and thank you.